Since you are watching this video, I guess your computer is running with an issue here as you trying to open a program you have recently installed. This error arrived. The program can't start because zlib122.dll is missing from your computer. It's a somewhat critical error and all you need to do is watch this video patiently and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. Let's start. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for zlib122.dll. You can choose any result. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Basically, this is the file for 32-bit users, but 64-bit users can use this too. To know your version, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is 64-bit, so I'll be downloading this. Basically, 64-bit users have different process. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has other fixing method also. You can use this too. As the download complete, hit open. The downloaded zip has two files. One is the DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, first open this PC. Local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. Here it is. This is the home of 32-bit DLL files. Now click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop. I have already done this, so it is asking me to replace. And click on continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check. By typing the file name, you can see the file is placed in the folder right now. So job is done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. Only if you are a 64-bit user like me, you need to do a little more. Open this PC one more time, then local disk C, Windows, and this time find a folder named syswow64. This is the home of 64-bit DLLs. And similarly, drag and drop. So main difference between 32-bit and 64-bit users is that 64-bit users need to place the file in both 32-bit folders and 64-bit folders. Check this one more time. Yeah, the file is placed in 64-bit folder too, so job is done. And finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if there are occurs, you need to download the latest mingw and install your program again, and that will surely fix it. The link will be in the description.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.